Hello and welcome to Free Loudspeaker Plan website. This is the video tutorial extra number 1. How to create 2D drawings for your panels. Let's see how to do that. So here in general, the view of the loudspeaker model is the isometric view. Now you need to choose what will be your standard view. So maybe you prefer this view here, where you can see the box from the front. That's it. And then you will select here in the Dropbox menu Tech Draw or Tech Drawing. Then you will click here to insert page using template. So you will have many different templates with different sizes. So for this exercise or for this illustration, I will use the A3 size ISO. So that's it. This is my template to generate my 2D drawings. So I will select what panel. You can select by selecting the bodies. You will select the panel you want to create the 2D. So I want this panel, the body 8. And then I will click here to insert projection group. You can zoom out if you want to. And by clicking or by checking those boxes, you can create the views you want to. By here in the scale, you can define a custom scale. I want 1:5. Let me apply and see if it's good. That's it. I will just reposition this on the template and OK. Now I can select the lines and ask to insert the dimensions. So now I'm quoting my 2D drawings for each panel. This can be used for construction. If you plan to send these drawings to a company where they can maybe cut the wood for you, you can use FreeCAD to generate all those drawings for you. And it's very easy, as you can see, it's straightforward. So you can do the drawing with as many detail as you want to. So that's it. Thank you.